The greatest spectacle in canine sports is finally here.
Group C begins. Brazil. Supported by the loyal Phyla, our football spirit is an unyielding force. Next, from the Caribbean, Haiti. With the resilient Kane Corbus's drive, we never break, we always fight. Faster than desert winds, Morocco. Defended by the sharp AD's eyes, we dominate the field with Moroccan pride. Finally, the gritty warriors, Scotland. Backed by the bold Scottish Terrier's courage, we stand firm with Alba Spirit. Who will advance? Vote now in the comments.